guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mars. I just want to say thank you for at least clicking this link and seeing this much of the video. It means a lot to me. I was on YouTube about 4 years ago and I never really got back on, but you know, quarantine really bringing the cats out the bag, so I decided to, you know, let's have some fun, do a little makeup routine update and, you know, film. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye. I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in chocolate and this angled brush from Morphe. The numbers rubbed off over the years, so I don't know what brush this is, but it's from this collection. I forgot the name. Take Tarte's Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and we're going to do about 3 pumps and spread that across the face. Quick little side note, I know my foundation, I just looked at the camera, it does look a little orange, but I promise in real life it matches my complexion. My chest area and my neck is definitely lighter than my face, so don't come for me, y'all. actually don't really cream contour a lot, especially as of lately. I have nothing against it. Sometimes I do it, so like you guys might see me do it in a future video. But I'm just actually gonna go ahead and set my concealer and my foundation, and then go with powder contour and bronze. What I'm gonna do now is take MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep. Okay, so this is my Holy Grail powder, and this is my Holy Grail Morphe Y1 from the Gilded set. Get you, it's like a perfect face brush, like an all over face brush.
Ricky, do it to him!
Contours on, powder set. We are going to do our lashes. So I'm gonna take the Too Faced Better Than Sex. We all know this one. Mine's a little messy, don't judge. So just light coat, nothing crazy. And so then we're gonna take our lashes. The lashes I'm gonna use today is Influencer by a company called Rose Glam Boutique. I really like them. I think they have really great prices for really great lashes, and it's like a steal. Like they have so much great lashes. So yeah, we're gonna just pop these on our eyes. These are how lashes look when they're on and set and pressed. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to do some mascara on the bottom lashes, and we're going to highlight. Morphe. Hi. Appearance on my channel. Say hi to Pickles. Oh, you're crying. Okay. No, you can't touch none of this. So I'm gonna take this CoverGirl pencil and just line my lips. Okay guys, so this is my finished face. I really hope you guys like it. I tried my best. This is my first video coming back, so please don't judge me too harshly, but I'm glad I even made it to the step of recording this video. But I'm gonna really change and really do myself up and really get into it so I can give y'all some slow-mos. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just changed my shirt really quickly to kind of, you know, emphasize the look and the slay. Hope you guys, you know. But yes, thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys for supporting, all of that good stuff. I'm just getting back out there with my video, so I really hope to hear good things back from this video, because that'll keep me going and it'll make me feel so good inside, all that good stuff. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, and also comment any type of feedback. I really do take everything into consideration. But yes, so yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe during COVID-19, and yeah, bye.